my instructional video, I'll be creating a Canvas course for the beginning teachers that I serve here in my school district. Had a great idea. I was thinking, Canvas is something that's required by our school district to use for our students. So why not model this as a best practice for my teachers so that they can receive online professional development? I've also used other learning management systems like Blackboard and Moodle for the various community colleges and the online university that I teach for as well. So what I've done here is I've created a new course, Beginning Teacher Professional Development, and I'm creating just a very quick assignment. I have a resource that I use for my new teacher orientation that I'm in charge of, and it's called the New Teacher Checklist. So I've got a link to this really cool article. So basically, new assignment is what I've created here. So please check out this assignment, review, and collect your thoughts. Now there's a ton of different options as far as font, size, all of that. So I'm inserting my link here to have the teachers review this. I'm not really concerned with points, not really too concerned with group assignments, but I want this to be assigned to everybody. And the due date, I'm giving them about a week to look at this. And then I'm going to click Save down here at the bottom. I love the fact that Canvas is super easy to use. It's laid out, it's user friendly. The discussion panel, create discussions if I wanted the new teachers, let's say, to introduce themselves, to create a introductory. An introductory discussion board. So please post information about yourself and your professional goals. Again, I love that it's super simple to use. It has a lot of different options. Can this be a group discussion? Again, setting the dates. I know for our program, we're audited, so we have to show our documentation. For our professional development, and again, every user is subscribed, so they can come in, they can reply. I could put limits on how many folks I want to post to other colleagues. There's just a ton of different resources on Canvas. I love how it's super easy to use. The option to upload a syllabus. You can link Google Drive documents. Our district uses a lot of Google. So going back to the home screen, you can see the first days of school is what I've called this module. The students can see their assignments listed, new teacher checklist, as well as their discussion forum that I want them to take a look at down here at the bottom. And it allows the students to actually see the due dates. So when they log on or when they log into Canvas, they'll actually be reminded of what is it exactly that's due and when is it due. The functions to collaborate are super simple as well. And again, this is an NC tool. We've been using this for a number of years now, and it gives teachers another opportunity to collaborate not only with their own professional learning communities that they've created, but also for students to come in and connect as well. I could also do, click on the people, it would show me who's in my group. I could add people to this. This is where I would add my teachers. And then also the announcement section. This would allow me to say, hey, check out the assignment that I've posted, guys. And again, it just creates an online learning community that I think is very valuable for all educators across North Carolina.